Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to the best crypto channel around the world. My name is Ish. This is the best crypto channel around the world. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Robinhood, the promotion they're putting forward. They put forward a very good promotion. If you want to make money, stick to this video. I'm going to tell you how you can make some free money from Robinhood. Just by understanding what I'm saying and following what Robinhood wants you to do, so that they can give you money. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. This is the channel that specializes in crypto markets, stock markets, and all that kind of normal good stuff for finances. So if you want to do finances, you want to learn about how you can save, invest, this is the right channel. So I ask you to subscribe, like the video, comment. If you comment, if you're new to this channel, I recommend you to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you'll miss out. If I upload a video and you're not subscribed, the chances are you're not gonna see the video, because there's lots of videos people putting forward, but it depends on what you're interested in. So if a channel talks about finances, money investment, and lives, ways of improving your lifestyle, everything, these are the channels that you have to subscribe to, because they not only motivate you, but they give you information based on research and sometimes personal experience. Most of the information I give is based on research and personal experience. So if I tell you something, it's not because I've heard about it, it's because I've done it, or I have failed at it, or passed on it, or performed better on it. So this is the right channel. Subscribe, like, comment. Don't just watch, please. I don't want you to just watch without subscribing. I ask you, subscribing doesn't cost money. It's just a click. You click that subscribe button. It's down over there on the right down side of the your screen. You just hit it, and that's it. You subscribe. It doesn't cost money. Anyway, so why am I making this video? The reason why I'm making this video is because today in the morning I received an email from Robinhood. If you don't know what Robinhood is a mobile application, and it's a company, a public company registered to do business in United States of America. They allow you that Robinhood app. You download it on your phone, your smartphone. Yeah, I'm sipping my coffee. You download that app, Robinhood, which is ROBINHOOD. I'm gonna put a link below in the description, whereby you can sign up and you get a fractional share of these bigger stocks like Amazon, Google, Apple. So the link in a description on this video, you can always click it and you get a fractional share of those different stocks. But in today's video, it's not about that advantage. It's about the email I received from them saying that I can get free money if I deposit $100,000 and plus. Say for example, to get $1,000, I need to deposit $100,000 between June 15th, which is today, to October 1st. So within that time period, if I invest money worth $100,000 plus, I'll get $1,000 free, $1,000 from Robinhood. So there have even lower limits, whereby you can get $50 if you deposit $5,000 to $10,000, and then there's $100 between, if you deposit if you deposit $10,000 to $25,000, you get $100, and if you deposit between $25,000 $5,000, you will get about $250. So the list goes on and on. But you have to meet these requirements that they want you to do. You have to do that deposit between today, the 15th, June 15th to October 1st. And the amount of money that we will give you will show up in your account after October 30th. It is guaranteed money. And the good thing about this promotion is when you deposit, even if it's a small amount, say for example, your target is to make $1,000 from Robinhood, just using those deposit thing. You don't have to deposit $100,000 once. You can deposit, $5,000, $10,000, $5,000. So if you do that between June 15th to October 1st, they will give you $1,000 free money. The other thing, even if you are low, you're gonna deposit a little bit of $5,000. So you say, I'm gonna start this month depositing, say, $5,000 every month. So June 15th you deposit $5,000. July 15th $5,000. August 15th $5,000. September 15th $5,000. That is $4,000. So you need to maybe deposit about $2,000 in one other thing to make sure that you reach $5,000 to get $50. So that's free money. It's very good. It's a promotional thing whereby Robinhood wants more people to be depositing money to invest with them, but they are giving out something. So other than keeping your money in a saving account with JP Morgan where they're not giving you anything, you rather put it somewhere where they will give you some money. So anyway, I don't know if they have a link for that. I'll try to see on my email to pay attention because I was busy. I did not see the link. I'll post the link if it's there, but I'm not sure if there is a link. But I'll just take a screenshot that shows what Robinhood sent me today. And for sure, I know Robinhood. I love Robinhood. A lot of Americans don't like it because of the GameStop and AMC. During the pandemic, they froze when all the stocks started going up and people were withdrawing and buying and all that stuff. Robinhood froze, like they froze the transactions, and everybody was mad at them. But for me, personally, I love Robinhood. The app is so seamlessly. You can do anything in time. You can execute sales. Transactions are done like simultaneously. You don't have to wait until this thing is executed. If you say you want to buy a stock and you buy it during the market hours, it executes like instantly, no wait, like any other brokerage where they do take time. Sometimes you fill in and then it takes time and it costs you even more money. Anyway, so the video was about Robinhood having a promotion where you can earn free money, and I talked about the link where you can sign up if you're not signed up with Robinhood. I explained what Robinhood is. Again, Robinhood is a mobile application, a public company registered to do business in United States, where you can trade stocks and some cryptos, and it has even it gives you like a debit card where you can hold money in the Robinhood account and you can always spend it like a normal bank. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like the video. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you can watch all this stuff whenever I post it. I'll get to you soon when I upload another video. I'll be doing a video in regards to different things. Today I'm gonna work on a video talking about Russia, changing the what's that that like McDonald's closed shops in Russia, and all of a sudden Russia is rebranding McDonald's and making their own McDonald's. I'll tell you what are the implications of that towards the companies like McDonald's, and what is the advantage of having that kind of company in those countries. Anyway, I gotta go, and I hope you guys got some information from this video, and I hope you like it and comment, and I hear from you guys. Bye bye.